Hey, what's going on, y'all? TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. I just want to share a little process on how we do our blanket ladders. These are the rings or rungs, whatever you want to call them. I use select pine. I don't use 2x4s or 2x2s. I use select pine. And I've already cut them down to size, sanded them down to 120. So now, also to let you guys know that we do the round over on these as well. So this one's going to be a little bit of a longer video. We also do the side pieces, the actual tall pieces. We round those over as well. It's not that typical square, plain Jane look. Even though if you want it like that, we can still do it like that too. So let's go. So as you can see, we round it all over. And this is the same process we do on every ladder. Now, I'll back it up a little bit. We're going to do the long piece. Nice. So, as you can see from that video, that we do all the sides. And it's rounded over. Like that. So this is our process. We do this on each and every single ladder. We do not just buy 2x4s, screw them together, throw some stain on it, call it a quilt ladder. This is how I do mine. It's got round. Then now I'll do is I'll take 120 and I'll sand that down. Then we pre-stain it. Hit it with the 400. Then we stain it. Hit it with the 400 again. Then we clear coat it. Hit it with a 400. Clear coat it. Hit it with another 400. Clear coat it. Hit it with 600 sand. Then we clear coat it one more time. And then finish it again. Smooth as molasses. Smooth as butter. And my ladders really come out good. I might not be the biggest shop, the best shop, but I guarantee you my craftsmanship is where it's at. I am a beginner hobbyist. I only do certain things with the tools that I'm able to work with, and I appreciate y'all. Make sure you drop a follow for all my locals on Facebook here in Pensacola, Milton area. 6 foot is 50, 5 foot is 40, 4 foot is 35. Have a great day.